So I'll just show you this tip that I figured out for removing like the last bit of solder from the pins. And what I'm doing is just got a small jeweler's flathead screwdriver here, and first of all, to test it, you can just kind of see if it moves, and if it does, then all of the solder is cleared. So if it moves, all of the solder is clear, obviously. But normally, when you use one of these, there's like a little bit of solder left, just hanging on to the pins. So sometimes what you can do is you can push the pin with the soldering iron and try and get it in the middle and let go of it. But the problem with that is that the soldering iron keeps it hot, and then when you let go of it, it's still hot and kind of solders itself back to the pin. But with a screwdriver, it's not hot, so you can use that to hold it in the middle while it cools down, the middle of the hole. So, see, it's probably not going to be the best. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit more. How focused are we? It's probably not going to be the best, but you'll be able to see. No pin there, is there? This one here. Yeah, now that it's loose, you can move the pin. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Seems to be working alright.